Media Girl here. I am back with Cyndi's Creatives, and we did a funnel spin pour. If you didn't see that one, please check it out in the description and check out Cyndi's channel. We're gonna try a little bit of a different spin on that technique. See what I did
Spin
there?
on spinning.
Where we're going to pour through the funnel while spinning it. You'll see. So let's get started. So you gotta not hold the hole, so just hold that over the canvas. Yeah, it's got a little paint in there.
Painting.
So, but then you spin while I pour.
Yes.
Okay, let's do this. Go for it. All right. So there will be a little bit of that color from the last one in there, which I think will be cool. And the colors are going to blend there.
Do I just hold it in the middle, you think, or should I move this around? Or... It takes a coordination here.
I know, right? You got this. You're coordinated.
I think I better go on this side.
Yeah,
well, there is no side. It keeps moving.
Alright.
Whoa! This is awesome.
Okay, some of the navy. Then I'm going to top it off with some white. And then I think that's good. Plenty.
I don't even know if I'm holding this over the canvas anymore.
There we go.
There's a little drop that didn't get there. Look, and I can't,
no.
I can't even get to it.
It's okay.
It keeps spinning.
Alright.
Okay, now.
Now I think we just spin.
Yeah.
It'll fill it in.
It's got a glob there. Let's hope it spreads out.
Like this spot, you mean?
Yeah, should we do like a Recca thing? Like I've got a swiper where we could swipe that.
Sure.
Okay, hang on 2 seconds.
Oh, I love this though. That's so pretty. And I think we'll get some cells maybe.
No. We both get to wreck. Here. Here's a wrecker.
Huh?
I get to be the first to wreck.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh. I don't know.
Okay. This will be interesting.
Ah.
Pretty. One more over there?
More over there.
Go ahead. Go for it.
Oops.
All
Okay.
right. Spin away. One way to get rid of that blob. Love the gold.
Yeah. All right. A couple more spins maybe.
Yeah. Look how pretty the bottom is. Ooh, look at what the gold is doing.
What you think?
Oh my gosh, that is unique. I don't know. I don't know.
Spin more, leave it.
Oh gosh,
Do
I
any
can't
more to
decide.
it?
Try another wreck.
Another wreck? Huh?
No? No more wrecks? Going that way?
Okay. This is your painting.
I'm the director.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, go ahead, spin.
All right. She's not excited at all. Oh no. Well,
You know what? I forgot to put the
Oh.
the things under the that's why it flew off.
Well, it happens. Okay, I will spin gently.
Yeah.
The paint should.
The other one
hold
had
it.
this
Yeah, the sticky
things
thing
under
under there. It was like too violent. Take that. Let's see. Try to center it.
The paint should hold it, but it doesn't.
Yeah.
seem to.
All right, what you think?
God, I love the colors in this one. My God. But I wish the gold would go more that way. One more spin. Me.
Okay, go for it.
I think it's gonna spread out anymore.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
All right.
Okay.
Good stuff. Okay. Paint on both sides.
So funny.
All right, let's do a close up. Okay, so a bit of a close up here. This is definitely unique. Kind of crazy on the design. I love the colors here. And another aspect of this is we did mix that Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint with the other ones. So that's, I think, causing some actually pretty fun reactions in here. There we go. All right, guys, make sure you check out Cyndi's creatives. All the information will be down in the description. Let us know what you think of this wacky technique, and we'll see you next time.